Today's recipe is risotto with artichokes and truffles. I love truffles. So I'm super happy I'm gonna show you this beautiful recipe today. Let's go through the ingredients together now and then through the recipe. Don't forget that at the end of the cooking class, Lisa will tell you all the nutritional values behind these amazing, beautiful, powerful ingredients. Our powerful ingredients today to make our risotto are small onions. The smaller they are, the better it is for the flavor. Then we have these artichokes, peppers, quail eggs, amazing truffles from Italy, and then rice for risotto. It is a special rice, so always look for the rice for risotto. It's not a normal rice. Then we have wine, pepper, and extra virgin olive oil. We cannot miss the stock, which has been cooking for 24 hours. So we have all the collagen in this stock, which is very healthy. First thing to do is to chop the onions very thin, like this, to prepare the sauté. So after the onions, I'm adding the peppers. So we add the flavor to the onion with this little twist of the peppers for our risotto. So the first step is the sauté. I'm gonna cook it now over low heat with a bit of oil, extra virgin olive oil, just a little bit. And then, as always, I add a bit of water, so we cook it in a healthy way. Over low flame, over low heat for 20 minutes, and then we can start adding the other ingredients. So, to clean the artichoke is not difficult. We have to take the leaves off, and then we have to take this part off slowly, because if they are very hard, like today, it can be a bit dangerous. And then, with the peeler, we finish the last part of cleaning. We take other leaves, and once they're ready, we put them in water and lemon. The other step to clean the artichoke is this. We have to create this little hole to take off all the hair of the artichoke, and then we can start cooking them on our sauté of onions and peppers. So now it's clean. We take off also this part. You see? Now it's clean to be cooked. So what do we do now is this is the last part that we're missing of the artichokes, and now we let them cook a bit. And then we add our powerful wine, because we need sugars, we need taste. So in 5 minutes I will add the wine. The smell, I love smelling food. So now we can add the wine, and we put the heating higher. Okay, this is enough. We put the heating higher, so then the alcohol evaporates and the sugar stay. While our artichokes are cooking, I can start preparing the quail eggs. So with the cold water, we bring them into the little pot. As soon as it is boiling, 30 seconds and they're ready. Okay, so 30 seconds have passed, so I can put the eggs on ice and water, so they finish to cook and they don't continue cooking. So ice and water, and we can wait till the dish is ready to put them on the top. So as you can see, the artichokes are soft and the smell is fantastic. No, the pieces are not too thin, because while they cook, they will become very soft and they will break in pieces, smaller pieces. So it is nice actually to have these chunks of artichokes to feel the flavor in our mouth while we eat the risotto. So now that they're soft and they got the flavor of the vegetables, I can start toasting the rice. I bring it into the pot and I toast it with the artichokes. Now I never leave the pot. I always stir it. So now I'm toasting the rice and I stir it all the time, otherwise it sticks to the pan and we don't want that. When it is toasted and we can see that the color is a bit more goldish, we can start adding the chicken stock that I've been preparing from yesterday. Because I've been stirring it all the time, as you can see, it's very creamy, the risotto, because the rice, while it cooks, it loses the starch if we continue moving it. So it is really important to always whisk it and stir it like there is no end.
Hello to you into a luxury dish. Let's start with the king of the dish, truffle. Truffles have an impressive nutrients profile. In fact, they're high in protein and fiber. They contain both saturated and non-saturated fatty acids, as well as many important vitamins and minerals. They are a complete source of protein, providing all 9 essential amino acids your body actually needs. Truffles are high in several important antioxidants to help reduce risk of chronic diseases, decrease cancer cell growth, and reduce inflammation. They have antibacterial, anti-cancer, and anti-inflammatory properties. So there you go, they are expensive, but you get your money worth it. So the next one is artichokes. Artichokes is one of the top vegetables. They are high in antioxidants, low in calories, so ideal to manage weight loss and control blood sugar to help you with diabetes. And they also have a great amount of vitamin C, A, and K. Due to its high fiber quantity and phytonutrients, artichokes might prevent serious conditions such as heart disease, cancer, as well as having a positive effect on liver and digestive health. So now all you have to do is to enjoy this piece of luxury.